Looking for ways to boost your income in 2024? It's time to diversify your income streams. You see, financial success isn't about having one golden goose. It's about nurturing multiple sources that together make up a robust and resilient income flow. Why? Because if one stream dries up, you've got others to back you up. Let's consider freelancing, for instance. It allows you to leverage your skills, offering them to a wide variety of clients. That's diversification at work. Or how about investing? From stocks to bonds, real estate to startups, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. And let's not forget about side hustles. They're no longer just for the hustlers among us. In the 2024 landscape, they're a savvy strategy to supplement your primary income source. Remember, relying on one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread them out for financial stability. In 2024, the gig economy is stronger than ever. This shift towards freelance, mobile, and short-term jobs is not just a fleeting trend, but a robust, thriving marketplace. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit have become the new normal, a meeting place for talent and those who need it. These platforms offer you the chance to capitalize on your unique skills and services, and the best part? You get to set your own terms. You can choose the projects that interest you, work as much or as little as you desire, and set your own rates. Offering your services in the gig economy means you're not just selling a product, you're selling yourself, your skills, your passion. This not only provides an income stream, but also offers a sense of fulfillment and purpose. The gig economy offers flexibility and control over your income, so why not give it a try? Cryptocurrency is not going away anytime soon. In the world of finance, it's become a powerhouse player, commanding the attention of investors globally. In the year 2024, the crypto market has matured significantly, opening up opportunities for potential gains that were unimaginable just a few years ago. It's not just about Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. While these established cryptocurrencies continue to show promise, there's an entire universe of promising altcoins out there. These lesser-known digital currencies could offer substantial returns, especially for those who are willing to do their homework and stay patient. Whether you're considering dipping your toes into the crypto waters or contemplating a deep dive, remember that knowledge is power. Equip yourself with a solid understanding of the market trends, risks, and rewards. Crypto might seem intimidating, but with careful research, it can be a lucrative venture. Social media isn't just for sharing selfies and memes. It's a powerful platform that, when used effectively, can be a lucrative business tool. Think about it. Billions of people are scrolling through their feeds every day. Why not turn that into an opportunity? One of the ways to monetize social media is through influencer marketing. If you've got a substantial following, brands might be willing to pay you to promote their products. Don't have a massive following? No problem. There's also affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product and earning a commission on any sales made via your referral link. And let's not forget about selling digital products. Ebooks, online courses, or even printable planners. The possibilities are endless. All you need is a great product, a solid marketing strategy, and a willingness to put in the work. Harness the power of social media and watch your income grow. Want to make money while you sleep? It may sound too good to be true, but passive income streams can make this dream a reality. Let's discuss some options. First up, rental properties. If you have the means, investing in real estate can be a great way to generate steady income. Tenants pay rent, and after covering expenses, the rest is profit. It's like having someone else pay your mortgage. Next, consider dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders. It's essentially earning money simply for owning a piece of a company. Lastly, consider selling digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even a mobile app. The beauty of digital products is you create them once, and they can be sold indefinitely, creating a continuous stream of income. Passive income might require some upfront work, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. In this fast-paced world of ours, it's essential to keep a pulse on the market trends. It's not just about the stock market, it's about the economy as a whole. Think of it as the weather forecast for your financial journey. From industry news to economic updates, from emerging technologies to demographic shifts, Every piece of information can be a valuable tool in shaping your financial decisions. You need to know where the wind is blowing so you can set your sails accordingly. In this day and age of the internet, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. Follow reputable financial news outlets, join online forums, subscribe to industry newsletters, and don't shy away from financial podcasts. Remember, in the world of finance, the early bird gets the worm. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve, and make sound financial decisions. No man is an island, especially in the world of business. The year 2024 is no exception. The ability to network and collaborate has become a cornerstone of success. By building connections with like-minded individuals, you're not only expanding your personal and professional circle, but also opening doors to potential opportunities that could help grow your income. Attending industry events, whether they're online webinars or in-person conferences, is a fantastic way to meet industry leaders and peers. These events are often a goldmine of knowledge, where you can learn about the latest trends and insights that could give you a competitive edge. Collaboration is another key aspect. By joining forces with others, you can combine your skills, knowledge, and resources to create something bigger and more successful than what you could achieve on your own. Remember, two heads are often better than one. Expand your network, expand your opportunities. The best investment you can make is in yourself. A timeless adage that rings true even more so in 2024. In a rapidly evolving world, the acquisition of new skills and knowledge is a must. Furthering your education, whether through formal degrees or online courses, can open up a plethora of opportunities. It's not just about a higher paycheck, but about expanding your horizons and unlocking doors you didn't even know existed. And let's not forget about workshops and seminars. These platforms offer a condensed and focused learning experience, often led by industry leaders. They can give you a deep dive into specific areas, arm you with practical skills, and even provide networking opportunities. Remember, every skill you gain, every piece of knowledge you acquire, makes you more valuable in the marketplace. It's a competitive edge that can set you apart. So, invest in yourself and watch your income potential soar. A goal without a plan is just a wish. This saying rings especially true when it comes to financial planning. Setting clear financial goals is not just about reaching a certain number in your bank account. It's about defining what you want your money to do for you and creating a plan to make it happen. It could be saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or planning for a comfortable retirement. Having these goals gives your financial decisions a sense of purpose and direction. It helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and keeps you motivated to stick to your plan. And when it comes to retirement, the earlier you start planning, the better. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small amounts saved early on can grow into significant nest eggs over time. So don't just wish for financial success. Set clear goals, stay focused, and enjoy the financial journey. Fortune favors the bold. This old adage rings true, especially when it comes to financial success. In the ever-evolving world of business and investments, taking calculated risks is a vital component. It's not about jumping headfirst into every opportunity that comes your way. It's about careful analysis, meticulous planning, and then making a move that may seem risky to some, but is actually a well-considered decision. Imagine if the pioneers of the biggest tech companies today played it safe. Would we have the innovative solutions that have revolutionized the way we live? The answer is probably not. The same applies to your financial journey. Whether it's starting a new venture, investing in a promising opportunity, or exploring a new market, taking calculated risks can propel you towards financial success. Remember, without risk, there can be no reward. So stretch your boundaries, step out of your comfort zone, and embrace the potential that calculated risks can bring. Don't be afraid to take risks. They might lead to rewarding financial outcomes. And that wraps up our top 10 tips to boost your income in 2024. We've journeyed through everything from diversifying your income streams and embracing the gig economy to investing in yourself and in cryptocurrency. We've explored the power of social media for business, the importance of staying updated on market trends, and the value of networking and collaboration. We also delved into setting clear financial goals and taking calculated risks. All of these tips are designed to help you navigate the financial landscape of the future with confidence and success. We'd love to hear which of these tips resonated with you the most, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, happy earning.